Hello and welcome to this brief demonstration of the Rapid Fix toilet seat. If you're looking for a fast fitting toilet seat that once in place offers rigid stability without movement, then look no further. This unit comes fully assembled, one piece ready to fit. No fumbling with fixings or hunting for tools. It's so easy to install and takes just seconds. The toilet seats are preset to UK WC fixing hole dimensions. To install, you simply line up the locators into the WC, apply downward pressure on the lever, job done. Adjustment to the locators is possible by hand for varying sizes in WC holes. No getting down on your knees to get round the back of your toilet to tighten the nuts. A simple twist in hand is all that's needed. As with removal, just lift the lever and remove the seat. A significant benefit of this design is the ability to clean the WC with no obstructions. This eliminates bacterial build-up, leaving a toilet germ-free. Simply remove the seat by lifting the lever, clean and replace with no professional fitting required. I hope you found this video of interest. For more information, please contact us